Well, good morning, Vlogmas Day 18. Yes, today is a bit of an interesting one. We've got a funeral, so it's not like super duper festive, upbeat. A slightly older friend of ours sadly passed away a few weeks ago, so we are gonna go to his funeral. It's very, very small. I'm not going to film anything around that at all. But then we're going to see my brother, because he's visiting from Paris. He was here on business basically. So so we're going to meet up with him before he jumps back on the Eurostar. So we're going to meet him in St Pancras, and that will probably be very festive. So I'll kind of focus on that. At the moment, poor Bee, bless her, is so coldy. I mean, oh, you little cutie. She's been amazing though. She's been so good, haven't you, Bee? You wouldn't know that she was so bunged up, but you can probably hear it. And we were up most of the night because she was just coughing and spluttering, and she just doesn't know what to do with all of that snot. So we have to be very, very on board with all of that. And that's okay, baby, but we got some sleep in the end, and we woke up at 8, so that's nice. So now we've just had our breakfast, hardly any because she's feeling a bit rough to eat, and we'll go get ready to go out.
Right, go on, Stinkerbell. Hello again.
Hello.
So, on this, the 18th of December, would you like to check behind today's door?
Shall we check, baby?
Should we go and
She's just had
check?
a bottle, so I have
What do
to
you
be
think?
very gentle with her.
Would you like me to hold her, or...? No, you can
no,
hold
I
it. I'm
can
sure you
hold
can manage this.
I'm just going to have a muscle ready. Just while she's very coldy. Yes, baby.
Oh.
Ah! Let's have a look, my darling.
Just turn the music down.
Oh yes, yes. You done that?
Yep.
Well done. Hey, what's Gabby written me?
Now remember not to mumble. We've had lots of complaints about you mumbling on the vlog.
Oh really?
Speak nice and loud.
Well, don't put your finger over the microphone there.
I'll try not to.
If it's true, as I suspect, and I am never incorrect, that you may have run out of this a few days ago, then it's time to have some more. So go to the kitchen door, where it's time to go once upon a time in the north. What have I run out of? Okay, well...
You hold on to that, Bee. It's very important.
Oh!
Yeah, have you got that? Good stuff. Yep. Okay, that's safely held by B. Right.
Okay,
So
darling,
Beatrix
shall we
just
go?
ate the clue. So yeah, you got a little mouthful of
We've been looking for it. Wait, a bit of...
clue paper. There it is. Thank you for that, B.
Yay!
And Hobbs is in a bit of a grumpy mood because her feet are nearby. Come on, calm down.
Come on then.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
So
Let's go to the kitchen.
go to the kitchen door,
To the
where it's
kitchen
time
door.
to go once upon a time in the north.
North. Okay.
Unfortunately, that appears to be a reference lost on Gabby. So
I think there's a T2 Once Upon a Time in the North, or Once Upon a Time.
yeah, but that would be in the kitchen.
Oh, kitchen door, kitchen door. Kitchen door. Oh no, is that something that I meant to know?
No, well the reference is.
Once Upon a Time in the North.
Well, first of all, what does that sound like?
Christmassy?
Maybe.
Phil Pullman. Oh no.
What? Why is that no?
Oh, it's oh yes. I thought you were like walking away like, oh she's...
What, in disgust?
Oh okay, so here's Phil Pullman. Philip Pullman. Oh, I see. Once Upon a Time in the North. Ah, oh yay! You got the peanut butter fudge. So I'm very happy about this because this was my favourite, and I loved chai as well. But peanut butter fudge is so good. Oh, thank you, my darling.
It's all right. Well done. I'm finding the clue. Sorry, I only said kitchen door because it was the only thing that could rhyme with more.
I thought you were literally like running away, like, oh wow, what a waste. Are you still filming?
Yep.
Yeah, that's weird. I kind of didn't realise. I'm finished.
Back through. Go.
Hello everybody. Hopsy, it's time for your advent calendar, gorgeous. Yes. Day 18. Oh. Ooh, oh, it's a big one. It's a long, lovely treat. Yes, baby. Hello. Hello. Okay. Are you ready? Yes, you're ready. Give me a good shake. Go on then, Dan. Do you want to have that down on the floor? Yeah. Good plan. Oh, bless him. It's like a proper bone, isn't it?
Oh wow, yeah, he's enjoying that one.
Yeah, he's loving that. Alright everybody, I think it's time to go to bed, so we'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 19.